Okay, 3.5, ready, set, go. So to start off, we're going to start with problem 1, which says given h of t equals 2t minus 5, it's saying if they give us t is negative 4, can you solve? So h of, actually let's put in negative 4, equals 2 times negative 4 minus 5. So I've simply replaced t with negative 4, and now I'm going to solve for my output. So with the input of negative 4 equals 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 minus 5. H of negative 4 equals a negative 13. So negative 13. The next question is the same thing, but now it's saying that the h of t, the output, is 23. So then it's going to be h of t equals 2t minus 5, but what we're replacing this time is h of t. So 23 equals 2t minus 5. So now we're solving for t to get t by itself. So we're going to add 5. And we have 28 equals 2t. Opposite of multiplying by 2 is dividing by 2. And so 14 is equal to t. So t equals 14. For problem number 2, it's having us look at a graph. So what you need to understand is, are you given an input or are you given an output? So g of 2 is giving you an input. So when it is 2, what is your output? And your output would be 8. Excuse me. On the next problem, it's giving you the output, so it's giving you your y value is 3. When your y value is 3, what is your x value? 1. Okay. The set says two functions are graphed. Graph a new function on the same grid by adding the two given functions. So what we can do is add outputs for the same input. So this output and this output is 0, and this output is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. Then we can choose another point. 0 and 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. So it's nice to find numbers where it's easy to match them up. But then you connect that line and you get your new equation. So in this case, h of x. Okay. So for example, this point would be 4 plus negative 4, which is 0. So you're adding your outputs for the same input to find the new point. Okay. And for the go, it says for each context or representation, determine whether it is discrete or continuous, or could be modeled best in a discrete or continuous way. And it says to justify your answer. So for the first one, it says Susan puts exactly $5 a week in her piggy bank. So this would be discrete. And the money is put into the piggy bank in one moment, not continuously over the entire week. Okay. For number 9, when you see just dots, that's how it looks, how discrete looks in a graph. So this would be discrete. And the graph contains only points, not a continuous line.